Hello, my dear kids. How are you? So, today I'm going to teach you cursive Z. Z. Some are saying Z, but sound is Z. 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 So, are you excited to learn? So, come on, open your copies and take your pencil and let's start. So, yes, as you know, we have the 4 lines in our English notebook. So, first of all, you have to put your pencil on the second line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put your pencil on the second line and go up with the slant line. Is it? Again. Put your pencil on the second line, go up with the slanting line, and here just make a small curve. Only make a small curve. Is it? Now next step, again keep your pencil on the second line and go up with the slant line. Make a small curve and come between the second and third line. Straight line. Okay. Again, put your pencil on the second line. Make a slant line. Make a curve and come straight between second and third line. From here, just make a right curve. Make a right curve. Again, put your pencil on the second line, go up with a straight line, make a slant and come straight between the second and third line. From here, just make a curve, right curve, and make a loop and come out with a tail. This is a Z. Again, put your pencil on the second line, go up with a straight line, make a curve, come straight between the second and third line, and make a right curve, loop, and come out with a tail. This is a capital Z. The similar way we will make the small z, but we will not use the first line. Okay, we will not use the first line. We will use the 1, 2, 3 lines. Okay, under the 3 lines we will use. Again, we will keep the pencil on the third line and comes with a slant line. Make a half curve, come between the third line and make the right curve, make a loop and come out with the tail. It's a small z. Again, put your pencil on the third line, go up with a slant line, then make a small curve and come straight between the third line. From here, just make a right curve, make a loop and come out with a tail. It's a Z again. Slant line, little curve, then come to the third line, make a right curve, then make a loop and come out with the tail. So only the difference between the small z and capital Z, we are using whole the 4 lines in the capital Z, but when we are using small z, we are only using the last 3 lines. Okay, so here I am teaching the both capital and small. Okay, come to the second line, go up with the slant line, make a small curve, come between second and third line. From here, make a right curve, loop in and come out with the tail. This is capital. And the small, we will use the third one line, go the slant line till the second line. From here, just make a small curve, then come out with the third line. From here, just make a right curve and make a loop and come out with a tail. This is very easy. So today's work is you have to make the capital Z. Okay, so I will meet you soon. Take care. Bye bye.